So the question today is, what happens if my car isn't repaired properly? That's actually a very scary question in our industry. And let me give you a little background why it scares me so much. And if you ask me one thing, what keeps me up at night, it's that exact question. A number of years ago, there was a lawsuit, the biggest, as far as I know, one of the biggest lawsuits that's ever happened in our industry. And you can research it, the John Eagle case. A car was repaired from a hail damage. They had a roof replaced. It was in an accident later on, a bad accident. The roof basically popped off, and they found out the car wasn't repaired properly. There were serious injuries involved in this case. Again, if you haven't never heard of it, I encourage you to search John Eagle, and you'll read more about this lawsuit. I say that because the question is about having your car repaired properly. For years, everybody shop out there advertise quality. Like, it kind of makes me laugh because it's like, quality. I think quality is 100% important, but it's shift. In my opinion, it needs a shift. We still need to keep the quality, but to me, quality became secondary to safety. We are driving very complex vehicles nowadays. We have, different 5-6 different kinds of metals inside the vehicles. The airbags, the safety restraint systems, we got cameras, we got radars, our cars, our vehicles are walking computer, or rolling, I shouldn't say walking, they're rolling computers that require a lot of information, a lot of training to work on. If a shop isn't going to training, a shop should be spending $10,000 to $20,000 a year in training, so they're updated on proper repairs. Because again, back to the John Eagle case, if a car isn't repaired properly, what happens the next time it's in an accident? Should it have put new seat belts in it, after an accident? Did we make sure all the cameras are recalibrated? Is it gonna, if you got automatic braking, is it gonna stop when it's supposed to? If you got lane assist, is it accurate after an accident? So safety has become the number one concern. Safety should be the number one concern, and the car shouldn't sacrifice any quality, but I'm just saying safety should be the number one concern. And a properly repaired car is probably the most important thing that you should be concerned about right now. If you like this content, keep following us. If you have a question, drop it below. We would love to answer your questions, anything that you've experienced, or if you got a story you want to share, leave a comment for us, and we can address it in future episodes.